One of the biggest and the largest temples we have in Egypt. The first or the biggest temple we have in Cambodia, I think. But this is the biggest temple we have.
Oh, there's a bigger temple in Cambodia?
Yes.
Oh, the largest in Egypt, okay?
Egypt.
Know it tomorrow.
Hello. It's a mini obelisk. Baby obelisk.
Is this the one we saw from back there?
Which one? Yes, this is a sacred lake.
Oh, Sacred Lake. Okay.
The sacred lake here was used for the purification process. Before they give the offerings, they have to clean the body from this water. And it was holy water because it was connected to the river. But nowadays we have like tubes and pipes to renew the water. And the steps you see here are modern for sound and light show. The priests in the ancient time used to live beside the temple. That's why you can find like ruins of mud graves. Remains of houses represent the houses of the priests. Everything. And ahead of you here, this is the Scarab beacon, the symbol of good luck. Yes, please, get pictures, I wait for you here.
Okay.
And if you want to make wishes as well.
Well, let me know if you want to take pictures.
Hello, can I have it with you?
Have what? A picture? Sure. مرتي.
ينفع أصور معك؟
نعم.
ينفع أصور معك؟
اسألها.
انا عندي السرعه.
This kid wants to take a picture with you.
Oh, sure.
زيادة السرعه، عارف السرعه وين؟ هتهزر.
Wait for them to go by, otherwise we're gonna get off.
Yeah, let me get a picture.
That was the first.
Run away.
That was the first. The kid asked me to take a picture with him instead of you.
It's so funny. We're taking pictures of the site, they're taking pictures of us.
Yeah. Did you see that other lady? She looked white lady, American maybe. They bombarded her with pictures
Probably
too.
British.
Might be, yeah.